Hello guys, in this video we are going to learn how to view and clear the browsing history in Edge app on Android. Open the Edge browser, and if you want to view what all websites that you have visited or what all the website you have visited in past, you can tap on these three bar options, and at the top you will see the second option says which history. Select that and it will display the list of all the websites that you have currently visited. So if you want to revisit the website, what you can do is you can just simply tap on that website and it will reopen. However, if you want to delete that list of all the history, you can tap on this trash icon at the top and it will take you to this clear browsing data option, where you can deselect all other options except the browsing history, and from here you can just select the time range to all time, and then based on the configurations and everything, you can just tap on this delete data which will delete the history. So in this way you can view, open and even clear the browsing history in Edge app on Android. I hope this helps. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Cheers, have a great day.